This is the Honeywell Ultrastat thermostat. As you can see, the temperature on this one is kicked down to about 78. And the time on it is, I think the time's messed up, but right now it's set to cool. Just for the record, I'm going to kick it down. And this is the thermostat for the upstairs air conditioner units. And as you can see, this return duct right here, this one is for the downstairs, and this one right here, which is that one right there, that's for the upstairs. The downstairs also has the same thermostat as this one, which is pretty nice. And this is the Ultrastat thermostat, and this is a good thermostat pretty much. And it's pretty neat. Not a bad thermostat. Really good job on it, Honeywell. You are a great company. That's why we have your thermostat. But this thermostat's different. This is not the one that I have. I have another brand of the thermostat. I'll go ahead and, sorry guys, make sure my fingers on the, just kick it back to 78, it'll turn off. That's the air duct for the second room. This is the air duct return.